In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Tag Manager with Webflow, enabling you to track form submissions effectively in Google Analytics 4. Let's dive right in and get started on making your analytics more comprehensive. First, let's talk about installing Google Tag Manager on your Webflow site. It's essential to note that this requires a paid Webflow plan, as it involves adding custom code. Start by navigating to your Webflow project settings and then head to the Custom Code section. Now, you'll need the Google Tag Manager code snippets. These typically come in two parts, one for the I section and the other for immediately after the opening on tag. Once you've copied these snippets, paste them into the respective sections in Webflow's custom code settings. This step ensures that Google Tag Manager is correctly implemented on every page of your site. Don't forget to publish your Webflow site afterward. This action will activate the GTM code on your live site, immediately making it functional. Next, we'll implement a form submission event listener. To do this, open Google Tag Manager and create a new custom HTML tag. Here, you'll paste a JavaScript snippet that acts as a form submission listener for your Webflow forms. This listener is designed to push a custom event to the data layer whenever a form is successfully submitted. While you can find pre-made snippets online, consider modifying or creating your own to capture specific form data, like a form ID, to suit your needs. Once the script is in place, configure the custom HTML tag to fire either on all pages or only on specific pages where your forms are, using a Some Page Views trigger with a relevant URL filter. Now, let's create a custom event trigger in Google Tag Manager. Start by setting up a new custom event trigger. Here, it's crucial to set the event name to match the custom event name you defined earlier in your JavaScript listener. For instance, you might call it Webflow Form Submit. If you want to fine-tune your tracking to certain forms, you can add filters to this trigger based on data layer variables pushed by your listener, such as specifying a particular form ID. Moving on, we'll create a Google Analytics 4 event tag. This involves creating a new Google Analytics GA4 event tag in GTM. Be sure to link this to your existing GA4 configuration tag. Set a descriptive event name like Form Submission. You can enhance this with optional event parameters to send additional data, such as the form ID or other relevant data captured by your listener. Don't forget to assign the custom event trigger you created in the previous step to this GA4 event tag. Lastly, it's time to debug and publish. Use Google Tag Manager's preview mode to test your setup. Submit a form on your Webflow site to see if the GA4 event tag fires correctly in the GTM debug console. Additionally, check the debug view section of your Google Analytics 4 property to verify that the form submission events are recorded accurately. Once everything is functioning as expected, you can confidently publish your changes in Google Tag Manager, finalizing your setup. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to integrate Google Tag Manager with Webflow to track form submissions.